this is Steve from Roofer 911. Today we're performing a roof replacement in the city of Springfield, Virginia. Everything is coming along excellent. There's a lot of plywood on this roof that's being removed, and it's going to have to be replaced. Also, the gutters were removed, and those are going to be replaced with new as well. A lot of this plywood is all rotten because the homeowner had very poor ventilation, and here you can see there's no wood vent. So all the warm moist air was trapped inside the attic. Almost all the wood on this entire roof section is going to have to be removed and replaced, because as I'm walking, I almost walked through in a couple areas. You can see we have a dump truck here, so this made our job very easy, because when we were ripping off the roof, we just walked everything into the dump truck and hardly any debris at all landed on the ground. This is the ice and water shield he's carrying right now, and that will be fully adhered to along the gutter line and also to the valleys. And we're going to overlap the wood fascia by 4 inches. The shingles we're going to be installing on this home is made by GAF. It's called Timberline HD, and the color is pewter gray. Yeah, the reason why we're going to overlap the wood fascia by 4 inches with the ice and water shield is because when it's time to install the gutters, the ice and water shield is going to seal the screws that's holding the gutter into place. Also, the ice and water shield will seal the open space, like here, for example, that gap between the plywood and the wood fascia. So even if we have a very heavy melting snow, it will not leak. Here he's installing the H clips to keep the plywood in alignment and prevent the plywood from buckling. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof replacement in Springfield and all areas of Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2